This is a review of the Harbor Freight zip ties everybody seems to hate. These are rated for 50 pounds, and a little white dot there is the zip tie. Zoom in. The rags are there because the cable will otherwise cut right through it, like a cheese slicer through cheese. Currently have a whole 50 pounds on this. They're barely touching the ground just because that cable tie stretched a little bit, but still holding most of the weight. Cable ties will weaken significantly if they're left out in the sun. Even the UV resistant ones, which these clear ones are not ultraviolet resistant, they'll get very weak very quickly, which happens to all zip ties. Same with heat and cold, really weakens them a lot.